Welcome back to sunny Surrey and my Locost build. Today is a big day. For the first time we'll put the gearbox together with the engine, and then we will lift it into the car and weld the brackets on. So we took the bodywork off. Brackets will go somewhere alongside here. Obviously we have to put the axle stands on, level it out, and then this one of the big days. Gearbox is here, so let's go. So now we got it on the ground. We have a little bit of a problem. I don't know if it's a problem or not. It's not really getting down with load, so it looks like that the springs are extremely hard on this one. It shouldn't be a problem for the IVA because it's literally just to pass. I can change them later on. But what worries me more, or perhaps not, is the distance from the chassis rail here to the spring plate. I mean, obviously, I will take them out anyway. They will be removed, but I thought there's more space. Let's see it later. Now, next thing is we have to level, make sure that it's level, and then put a gearbox to the engine, get it onto the hoist. Put the other cradle on, not the cradle, sorry, the engine mount, and then fit into the car, mock it up where it should sit. And also I should take the chance, what I've bought here, that's from GBS, so that's just a plate to cover the gearbox tunnel. I think it's pretty much a good idea. It gives you pretty much a good idea where the handbrake should sit in relation to the gearbox. Yeah, because I was not sure where I should sit it, where it should be ending. Also, I should not. Normally, I should also put the paddle box in and simulate a floor again to see where we are in the total, but I think I have to leave that for now. Yeah, so most important thing is gearbox in, engine in, tack welded, and then the chassis goes back into the air, everything out, and we weld it in completely and then go from there. So, another problem we have detected that, well, the pedal box is in, but my feet are still too long. Now, that creates a different problem. Ideally, the pedal box should go further down, which then makes a problem possibly with the gearbox. My seating position here, I have to go a little bit more forward, given that the gearbox shifter will come out round about here. Don't know where to start. Yeah, it's if you got a old run champion Locost, there are lots of things you have to think while you do it, otherwise you do it 5 times. Yeah, we need to think about the pedals. I mean, there may be when I have a floor on it, it might be different with the seating position. Also, my wallet is not helping. So you've got a floor here, it might be different. I might be able to get the linkage a little bit more forward and space the pedal out like this, because that's all the trouble I have. I don't think I need all this trouble. So if it's right up here, I believe I still have enough space. So yeah, we were getting lots of tinkering around. I think as soon as I welded the chassis, as soon as possible, I need to get the floor in, and that has to be adjusted.
Can you tell us about it?
So, engine is in. None of the mounts fit, which I bought, so that was wasted money. Gearbox is, I don't know, I'm not happy with the gearbox where it sits, so I have to come further forward, or have to get somehow an idea how to can put it further backwards. It's all a big mess. So, problems to solve. we're very close with the alternator here. Also, I believe when you put the chassis in the side panels, the alternator will foul. That doesn't line up at all. My engine brackets, my engine mounts, which I bought, we have a little bit more wiggle room here where we possibly could go further back. However, if you go further back, you might have a problem with the bearing here, with this part where the throw out bearing is. Further, obviously top shaft has to be shortened further because we don't have enough space here. You could have around about an inch. If you shorten the top shaft and go back, the next question is what will be here with the shifter. Yeah, so either you have to move that, or you have to move the shifter around somehow with a remote. Yeah, lots of problems to solve. Feels a little bit like you start from beginning, but we will see. Not giving up at this point. And I would say see you next time for the next episode. Have a good Sunday afternoon. Bye bye.